In this video, you're about to witness an epic Shopify store build speed run. Yes, I'm going in the trenches. I'm gonna be building a store basically as fast as I possibly can, and you guys are gonna be able to witness it all. So with that said, start the timer. Let's get it going. First steps first. So I got my product picked out. I'm gonna be doing this product. I think it's pretty cool. It has some really modern looking vibes. I have a cat, so I understand how cats work a little bit, and this could be really helpful. It's like an automatic water feeder. It has a little filter, and it looks really cute, as you can see. So this is gonna be our product. Now, I just started the Shopify store. I literally just went on Shopify.com, press start a store, and here we are. So we're gonna skip all this stuff. We don't need any of it. I guess I'll have to put in all this stuff, but don't look. Okay, so since I have my product first, that's usually the best way to do it in my opinion, because then you can make your store around the product. Even though I'm not gonna make a store, a one product store, this is gonna be a niche store in case this product fails for some reason. So the name that I decided to go with is Pottern. Get it? Because this is kind of like a modern, pet bowl. Like, this isn't just for cats, it could be used for dogs too. So Pottern, I thought was pretty clever. Get it? Like modern, but paw, because animals have paws. So first things first, we gotta download a couple apps, just Oberlo, honestly, so that we can import this product. Oh, and also this product ships from the, okay, well, it did ship from the US when I found it. I guess not anymore, but whatever. We're not gonna use AliExpress anyways. We're gonna use our sourcing agent, Ecom Ops. They're the homies. And here we go. So add this app, Oberlo. This is all these little minute tasks that you have to get done. When you start a Shopify store, it kind of sucks. But you know what? It's really quick, and that's the purpose of this video. I'm trying to show you that, a lot of you guys are overthinking this. Okay, so now we got Oberlo set up. Now what we got to do is go to our import list and click add products by URL. We click this URL, we paste it here, boom. We're ready to go, and we'll just title this. Actually, let's get some inspo. So automatic pet bowl, and we'll see what kind of cool brands we got going on. So let's look at the shopping tab. Okay, so soft pet paws. This one's pretty good. This one's pretty good. This one's kind of cool. Damn, these are expensive. So, we're actually going to be able to do this for a pretty expensive price. Okay, so here we go. This kind of looks like a dropshipping store right here. So, but this is too long of a name. It has some good keywords. Intelligent pet food bowl. So we'll call ours something along those lines. I kind of like that name. Automatic feeder, floating pet bowl. It's not really what we have going on here. So we'll just call this intelligent pet food and water bowl. And then we'll look at the variants. So I really like this design mainly. So we're going to get rid of these. Actually, this is the one I like the most. So we may not even do this one. I like this one the best. So we'll just narrow it down to only this one product right here. Okay, and then we're gonna be, so cost is 21, just about. So our competitors here for something kind of worse, honestly, they're charging about $75. So we'll just go with that, 75. Actually, let's do $69.99 for the memes. And it would be nice to kind of undercut these people a little bit. And this is just about a 3x, when you account for shipping as well. And that's what we want to go for. And then we'll make the ad price just 100, because we could definitely charge 100 for this. That's probably what we're going to go with as the retail price. But okay, we'll get rid of all these images. Get out of here. We don't need you anymore. Some of these are pretty good for the description, but we'd have to edit them because they have a lot of Chinese writing, which could be misleading. And boom, import to the store, and we'll just make it active right away. This is importing. Boom, we got it imported. Now I'm actually gonna install the Debutify theme. Personally, it's a great theme. I mean, it's just really nice when you are just beginning and you want to make your store like a little more fun, a little more conversion optimized. And you can get the link to Debutify in the description. It's one of my favorite free themes. You don't need any of the paid features, even though some of them are pretty cool. But yeah, you don't need them. So just install it in the description. You'll get an extended free trial. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna go to add-ons, actually theme library, and we are gonna add the theme to our library. And while this is loading, because this takes a while to load, we're actually gonna create a logo. So I'm on Canva here, and I'm gonna pick some sort of modern font. So let's go on Google again, and we'll look up top modern fonts 2021. Futura, Renaissance, new, circular, no display. I don't know if I have that one on Canva. Lars is pretty good. Excellent. That looks kind of cool. So a lot of these fonts are serif fonts, which is kind of surprising, but at the same time, it's not too surprising. So I don't know if we have any of these fonts available, unfortunately. Let's see if we can find just Carla. Carla is a pretty good font for this kind of thing. So pattern. That looks pretty good, actually. And then what we can do is add some sort of paw element, you know, something simple, something like this. Okay, so we got our logo, transparent background, download. Let me see what it would look like all lowercase. Oh, I actually kind of like that better. Okay, now upload it to our Shopify store. We're just gonna click customize and we're gonna get to work here because this is the most important part. This is what you all came for. And basically what we're gonna do, okay, right away is we're gonna add our logo that we just downloaded. That looks really cute. Okay, now we're gonna put this here. We're gonna add this. We're gonna go here to theme settings, Beautify add-ons, and we're actually just gonna get rid of everything right now just to get a fresh start, a clean slate. Actually, delivery time is fine. Discount save is fine. Inventory quality, yeah, I kind of like those sometimes. Product bullet points, no sales pop. Sticky add to cart, yes, I do like that. No Instagram feed, no pop-ups, no social discounts for now. And these are all features, again, that you can actually color swatches is pretty cool. You can use these features yourself if you want, but for the purpose of this video, actually page speed booster, that'd be nice. Product swatches, no. Quick view, recently viewed, no. We don't want to distract people. We just want to keep it simple. Shock protect, cookie box, sure, we'll leave it for now just to be compliant. Okay, so now we go to colors. Actually, first, let me add the product to our page here just to see what it looks like even. So featured product, and then we'll pick the product, which is the Intelligent Pet Food Water Bowl. Okay, this looks beautiful. So what I want to do quick is take a snippet of this. I really like this color. We're going to save that, and then we're going to go to Google again. Google's our best friend here, and we're going to do HTML color picker from image. And then we'll go to this first result here. We'll upload our image. Let's take a look at what color this is. So we'll copy this color, this hex code, and then we'll go to our store basically and just change all the colors to this because we just want this to be super congruent and it'll look really nice this way. Okay, buttons, yep, just everything. This might be a little too light, but you know what? It doesn't matter. We'll just use it for now. Links and accents, yep. Everything is going to be this color. So we're almost there, guys. It looks pretty good so far. All right, yeah, boom. We'll click save here. We'll see how the results are. Sales price, we do want to change that. It's kind of a little hard to read, but honestly, it looks pretty clean. Let's see what it looks like as a blue. Oh, you know what? We could keep the button as this blue. It kind of looks nice. And then we can do the sales price as that same blue, just to kind of keep it congruent. I like that. Okay. Now, what we have to do is get rid of some of these variants. So we'll get rid of these variants that kind of look sketchy, like the ones where it ships from. We definitely don't want people to think we're shipping from Russia, because we're not. If we were, then sure, but you know, we're not. So, okay, so we'll get rid of those. We'll just get rid of that in general. And then blue, it's more of a teal, not really a blue, but whatever. We'll just keep it for now. And then we'll use some inspiration here from some of these cool stores that we see. Why choose me? This functional product generic for cats and okay, that's kind of a terrible description, so we're not gonna use that. Something like this is nice though, so we'll look at that one. Etsy has some really great descriptions, I feel like. Let's see, maybe not, maybe I overhyped them. Okay, honestly, something like that is pretty clean. Making it easy for your pet to comfortably eat and drink, just that for now. And then let's take a look at some more things going on. The summary is so designed. We don't really want anything to do with this. Incorrect feeding can lead to underweight or overweight and the ooh, okay, that's a good one. Something along these lines. We want to just edit this down. We're using this for inspiration. And the associated hosts for animals. The intelligent pet food and water. The pattern. Intelligent food helps to maintain the ideal weight of your four-legged bestie and yeah, that's great. The bowl is designed in an elegantly designed water container with a soft filter, so your paw friends have clean water all day long. Let's take a look at how this looks like. Let's see. Ooh, baby. I just realized this isn't the full catalog, so let's just click here. Let's click our actual product, and now we can actually go back to our Beautify add-ons and we can start adding a few things here. So Card savings, sure. Card goal, sure. Actually, no, because we give out free shipping. But if you didn't do free shipping, this would be a great way to get upsells. We'll do quantity breaks, upsell bundles, no. Add to card animation, no. Card countdown, no. Sure, card discount, we can do that. Customizable products, no. Delivery time. I do actually like the delivery time. Like if you use a sourcing agent, which we would for this product, then having some sort of delivery time like this is pretty transparent and people actually do appreciate it. Here we go, sold items. Sure, we'll see how that looks. It might look a little spammy, but we'll see. So we're just going through all these to make sure that everything is good. Oh, product swatches. Yeah. Did I use color swatches? Yeah, I did. For some reason, they're not popping up. Let's go back to our product page here. What's the time looking like? Okay, so we're doing pretty good. So I just want this thing to work quick. Okay, I see what happened. I removed the variant, so that kind of sucks. Let's try to add a variant here somehow. Okay, so we'll do color here. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. And we're actually gonna get rid of this image right here with the leaders. I don't really like them. I don't like to have any text on the images personally. I just think it will look bad. But we can add that in the details, and then we can do a little bullet point here, 1.5 liters. That's good for now. All right, let's take a look now what this looks like. Okay, so we forgot to publish the theme. Okay, so almost there, guys. The theme is right here, and we'll click publish. Boom. Actually, the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna customize this landing page here a little bit. Ooh, okay, so the product swatches are working. They look beautiful. This looks real nice. And then what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna change the font that we have going on. What font did I use for my logo? So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna use that same font for everything. That's actually a big design tip for you guys. Don't mix fonts too much, especially if you have no idea, if you've never studied typography at all and you're brand new to design, then you're not going to pick the right font pairings. It's very unlikely, unless you have a very aesthetic eye, but it's very unlikely that you'll pick the right font pairings. So just don't, okay? And then what we're going to do lastly here as well is at the top, so announcement, we're not going to show our phone number because we don't have a phone number. So now we want to add maybe a little bit of a slideshow here just to make the store a little more alive. And then we don't have any images. We'll go look at the free images. Oh, this one's great. I like that. Okay, so we'll choose this image and then we'll slide her up. Oh God, it just got so bright in my house. Actually, we don't want to add another slide, but we do want to customize this one slide here. And we want to say pattern pet accessories, the exclusive online hub for posh paw friends. Okay, beautiful. Pattern pet accessories. We're using a lot of P's because that's kind of the theme of the store, as you can see. So let's check it out. Full details, intelligent pet and food and water bowl. Everything looks very congruent. This description is good enough. Our guarantees, I haven't had time to think about the branding or anything, but if some things that you could add are like free returns, free shipping, that kind of stuff right there would look nice. This looks pretty awesome. And this actually is a good brand idea. The cool thing about this too is that let's say you test this product out, right? And it doesn't really pan out how you thought. Then at least now you still have a brand that you can test other products within. This is kind of, in my opinion, the ideal way to start a dropshipping business if that's the way you're starting your e-commerce brand or your e-commerce brand in general. This is probably the best way to do it because then, one product stores are great, but if you don't really know what you're doing, it may be harder to make that work. However, in this way, you can actually fall back on other products if whatever you're testing doesn't work out and you don't have to just start fresh and start another Shopify plan and whatever. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.